Hi, I'm Paul Bush with the TJ Snow Company. Today, I'm here to tell you about the WS100 weld scope. What is a weld scope? A weld scope allows you to monitor the secondary current of a resistance welder. A lot of times you're not really sure how much current you're actually putting through the part itself. Sometimes it's too hot, sometimes it's too cold. The weld scope will definitely help you dial that number in and get it a lot better. It also is a good troubleshooting tool. It allows you to determine that the machine is putting out what it is and that it's not half cycling or things like that. This particular model is battery powered. It'll do MFDC and AC welds. It has a 50,000 amp range on it, and it can hold up to 10,000 welds to be dumped back to a PC, at a later date. Other weld scopes have to be plugged into the wall. They're real big and bulky. You have to carry them around. This little guy here fits right in your bag. You can test any weld that you want, and you have the data for it. So let's go ahead and make a weld. On the first screen, you will get a numerical readout of your weld current and cycles or milliseconds depending on your machine. On the second screen, you will see the waveform of the last weld produced. And on the third screen, you will see the last 10,000 welds made. The monitor can also be connected to a PC, and this data can be extracted into an Excel spreadsheet. The WS100 comes standard with the following options. There is also an optional force sensor and longer toroidal coil if needed. For more information on this unit or other weld checkers and force gauges for resistance welders, visit our website or contact the inside sales at tjsnow.com.